Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about amazing homemade inventions and gadgets that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Guigui Ride. Let's go to France and see William, a mechanic. He is an electrician who lives near Paris and creates children's ride. William's works meet the European standard EM 13814, which is required for the design of all types of amusement rides. He emphasizes the importance of safety first and foremost. As a result, the rides employ a number of programmable logic elements. Even if a wheel is broken or defective, the car will not go off the rails, and the control panel is locked. William, interestingly, does not use specialized software to design his creation. Instead of relying on hand-drawn MS Word tools and drawers, he intends to expand his model roster as well as visit themed amusement parks. His favorite amusement park is American Park Cedar Point, which has 72 rides including 15 roller coasters. Bionic arm. Following that is the work of a British student who designed this bionic arm. The use of materials that many people would consider trash is the project's defining feature: cardboard, craft foam, and popsicle sticks. The design was created from the ground up and combines functionality and affordability. In addition to designing the arm, the student was also required to learn to program. An Arduino board is a critical component. Despite the difficulties, he persisted. He even stated that he thoroughly enjoyed the creative process, which resulted in 3 distinct versions of the arm. The latter is outfitted with a transmitter glove. By the way, with this creation, the young Guinness won the Big Bang Science and Technology competition. Tesla on trucks. German experts believe this is the ultimate off-road Tesla. They took a Model 3 and put it on trucks, essentially turning it into a tank. Following the upgrade, the ground clearance is increased to 32 inches. The majority of the team's time was spent on the tracks. Each weighs approximately 2,800 pounds, and installation took approximately 6 hours. This differs from a similar Canadian project in which the tracks were much smaller and only the rear wheels were replaced. Of course, the total weight of the Tesla increased to approximately 13,230 pounds. An online used car dealer supplied the vehicle. Pontoon boat with paddle wheels. Instead of the usual outboard motors, the author of this homemade vehicle was able to add a new experience to the usual pontoon boat recreation. The boat was equipped with 2 paddle wheels with 8 blades each. Because of this, the ship's maneuverability improved. For example, it can turn on the spot while maintaining ease of operation due to the use of only 2 levers. It was made in the United States and its specifications are unfortunately unknown. However, because these vehicles are known to struggle with waves, they are best suited for coastal recreation or fishing in shallow waters. MelonBoy. Picture this: you're on your way home on the subway when you notice a man sitting next to you with a large bag. Suddenly, he takes a watermelon with buttons from his bag and begins playing games with it. Isn't it crazy? This isn't a joke or a sketch. You're looking at a real, fully functional MelonBoy. The project's creator and a Singaporean YouTuber and programming student known as Said is happy. He used a watermelon as well as a Raspberry Pi single board computer, a screen, buttons, and speakers. A power bank powers the MelonBoy. By the way, this system can run the game Pokemon Emerald, which was released in 2004 for the Game Boy Advance. Wood chunker made with wheel rim. If you have an old wheel rim in your garage, you can turn it into a wood chunker with a little ingenuity. There are numerous modifications and instructions for their creation that are similar. There are options for agricultural machinery, trucks and cars with manual or automatic transmission. This version was developed in Poland. It can easily handle branches as thick as a person's arm and operates at a high speed. The author is willing to consider selling options, though it is unclear whether he will sell this particular version or create a new one. The price will be around $340. There is also a limitation. The system will not handle branches that are too thick or crooked. Would you buy it or build it yourself? Handmade flamethrower. A similar flamethrower can be made by anyone. All you have to do is spend $97 on an ebook and a video tutorial tutorial kit, and then another $450 on the necessary parts. The flamethrower is structurally based on the American M22, used during World War II. It has a range of up to 45 feet and takes about 2 hours to put together. A 3-to-1 mixture of gasoline and kerosene can be used to power the flamethrower. You'll also need to refill it with carbon dioxide on a regular basis. Almost everywhere in the United States, this flamethrower is legal. Only California requires a permit, and it is illegal to own a flamethrower in Maryland under the state's fire code. A portion of the proceeds from each sale is donated to cancer prevention, educational, and medical projects. Mini tractor. Try to do everything well because it only goes wrong if you don't, according to the project's author. He made the decision to build a homemade mini tractor. He has a lot of videos on his channel about the process. The tractor's top speed is approximately 19 miles per hour. The mid-rollers are removable and low-pressure wheels can be installed. A comfortable seat is provided for the driver's comfort. The weight of the tractor is 1,191 pounds. After some successful tests, the mini tractor was sold. The inventor's portfolio also includes a snowmobile, a chainsaw engine, and homemade trucks. Humanoid robot. This humanoid robot staring at us with a lifeless stare was largely created using 3D printing technology. The Arduino Mega platform is used to run robotic life. The robot has a microphone and speakers, and it can be controlled by voice. It has approximately 25 servos. As a result, the model can move its head and even hold objects. The project's creator is a university student in Poland. With this project, he won the prestigious Polish competition Electronics for a Simpler Life, beating out approximately 70 other competitors. The young man has much to be proud of, as the jury included Siemens experts. However, this project was only a means for him to master various skills, specifically programming, and it is now completed. We can expect him to return with something flying based on his YouTube channel, VAZ-2110 Transformer. Let's travel to Russia to see this creation by a local auto mechanic. This VAZ-2110 transformed spectacularly into a combat robot, much like in the Transformers film. The work took about 6 months, according to the master, and he used parts from other cars and a tractor. The robot has 2 machine guns and was inspired by a child's toy that the mechanic purchased at a Singapore supermarket. The project had to be redesigned several times, but the end result was clearly worthwhile. The master has no plans to stop either. He intends to construct at least 2 similar vehicles. "I have all sorts of crazy ideas," he once said in an interview. Huge drone. This is the largest homemade drone in the world. According to the video's author, the model was built for a customer from the Dominican Republic and is truly incredible. It was capable of lifting 165 pounds during the test flight. It is powered by an 8 battery system and has a 29-inch propellers. It employs a modified flight controller, the DJI A2, which supports 9 different types of traditional motor mixers and used for both commercial and industrial applications. This component alone costs $700 and $800. By the way, this is not the author's first project of this type. One of his creations is used by a local advertising agency. As a result, this drone may have also aided in the capture of beautiful Dominican landscapes. F-35. An engineering creation from the Netherlands. He used an unusual replica of a F-35. The model cannot fly, but it can shoot water and create spectacular clouds of smokes and confetti. Furthermore, the author of the vehicle went to great lengths with the pilot's costume and minor details, such as signal lights. The model is simple to put together and take apart, so you can transport it in a trailer to various events. There is space behind the driver's seat for children, but adults will enjoy the ride as well. So, which of the inventions amazes you the most? Please let me know by leaving a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.